Welcome back to the Ministry. Here is our simple explainer on how to buy a design. Firstly, click on Categories. Search by season, product area, design, or select all to view the entire collection. Secondly, click on the design that interests you. Now check the colour options. Choose the file type you need. Then either add to cart and continue searching for more designs, or buy now, and this will take you directly to the checkout. Now just a quick job to fill out your details, continue to payment, and you're done. Do not forget, you can pay with credit cards, PayPal, crypto, or even send us a bank transfer, whatever is the easiest for you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Any questions, just reach out to us in the chat 24/7.